My name is Andrew Gore from Andrew Gore Woodworks in Kansas City, Missouri. I'm here specializing in real custom work as far as tool chests that have relief carving and a lot of color added to it. Back in the spring of 2014, I was approached by Mark Harrell from Bad Axe Toolworks and Scott Meeks from Scott Meeks Woodworks in regards to coming up with a commemorative tool chest for a really good friend of ours, a guy named Fred West from Westchester, Pennsylvania. Fred was, as Mark likes to say, the Rush spokesperson for the hand tool industry. He was a huge supporter of hand tool makers and woodworkers like myself. He was very encouraging and inspiring for us to really push the level of work that we produce. Unfortunately, Fred had a very short battle with a rare form of cancer and passed away in January 11th of 2014. So this spring, I was approached by both Scott and Mark about coming up with a commemorative tool chest and remember this guy that could ultimately be filled with some of the finest hand tools that were available. I was given a lot of free reign as far as the design and the appearance of the chest, and the whole idea is it needed to be a museum quality tool chest. Museum quality in the chest itself, but also the tools that are inside of it, and it needed to be an opportunity for an unsuspecting person to receive the generosity that Fred showed all of us by his giving and caring for us as friends. So after a lot of brainstorming and putting everything together, this was the first ever Fred West commemorative tool chest. Some of the makers that are involved, to give everybody an idea, you have the Mark Harrell Bad Axe tool saws. You have a Scott Meeks Mesquite and Blackwood smoother. There's a block rabbit plane from Lee Nielsen. We have a router plane from Lee Valley Veritas with a new concept fret saw. We have it's a blue spruce chisel mallet with a wonderful set of blue spruce chisels. We have the check edge awl and marking knife. We have elk-head tools, screwdrivers. Randy Weaver's a great wood turner and professional woodworker out of Lincoln, Nebraska. He was also a friend with Fred, so we have a Randy Weaver carving mallet. And everything inside the chest is removable, and easily showed our Hamilton Toolworks marking gauges, a Vesper bevel gauge, a Sterling Toolworks saddle square, and inside the secondary removable box are the Crumbrite squares and a plain adjusting hammer for the Scott Meeks Woodworks smoothing plane from Sterling. The total value of the chest is somewhere in the $5,500 to $6,000 range. And in noon today, 12:30 today, this is going to be drawn and auction, or not auction, but drawn and given away for free as the first commemorative tool chest to an unsuspecting woodworker that was participating here at WI.